It is very important the cable cut always a clean cut, not a deformed cut. In the assembly of the tensor, the cable is inserted in the tensor mouth 2 cm and we place the non-slit wedges not exceeding the 2 cm. Not exceeding the mouth of the tensor, we place the body of the tensor. The cable will tend to outstand 5 mm when you're in the process of tightening it. Take this into account when cutting the cable. We tighten the tensor with 2 fixed keys and we verify that it is correct. We do the same at the other end and taking into account the right and left tensors, so not to open the cable and it is well tightened.